Dev.
Hey, Liz, do you know what is today?
No, what is so special?
Are you aware of the Pola festival of Maharashtra? Most people are not. Let's understand why the festival is so important for farmers. Pola is the day when the farmers, especially from the Vidarbha region of Maharashtra, worship bulls and even decorate them. This day falls on the Kushopatini Amavasya, that is the full moon day in the month of Shravana. It is called Pola because the demon Polasur was killed by Lord Krishna when he attacked Krishna as a child. This is also why children are given special treatment on this day. India is a country where agriculture is the main source of income and mostly farmers use bullocks for farming. Hence the peasants celebrate this festival in praise of the animal. Hence it is also known as Bail Pola or the Bullock Pola. There is the Bada Pola, where the bull ox is worshipped, and the Hoda Pola, where children carry toy bullocks with them door to door and get some gifts in cash or kind. Much like carol singing during Christmas. Pola festival has its own traditional rituals to be followed, like bulls are given a bath and then decorated with jewelry, shells and a garland of flowers. They are even painted in various colors and then worshipped. The whole process consists of decorating them accompanied by music and dancing. The main task of this festival is the old bullock is tied with a wooden frame on its horns, and it is made to break a rope of mango leaves that is tied between two posts. Pola teaches every human being to respect animals, and there is an assumption that on this day the sky looks as if wheat flour is spread all over. That's the reason why this festival is also called as Pithoria Amavasya. And as soon as this festival gets over, activities like sowing and plowing take place. Happy Pola festival to all our hardworking farmers. I wish you Happy Walla Pola festival.
Thanks, Dev. Wish you happy Pola.